If you're live, subscribe. Man, I'm pretty glad I got this batch right here. I was sitting for a minute, and you know I'm trying to save gas and do all that. But I accepted I think it was like a $13 order. It was number 8 items. It was going right around the corner. But then I got an add-on when I got to the store, and it made it was like another 14 items, $14. So my $14 order turned into like 27 or 28. So that's the stuff that you guys should be watching out for. That's why I say it's money on this platform that you don't even understand, because you might have thought you accepted a $13, $14 order, but when you got the add-on now, it takes it almost to 30, and both of them like nothing but 2 miles from the store. They're saying this is a 27-minute shop. I'm gonna dust this one. I'm gonna dust this one, get it out the way where I can go and get about my business. How you doing, sweetheart? You doing Instacart too? Okay. Yeah, I've been doing it for 4 years. I got a whole platform. I ain't got no more cars. I might give you one. You got YouTube? Let me show you something on YouTube real quick. Real quick. I got a whole YouTube of this shopping. Yeah. Y'all know I'm always promoting myself. I gotta promote myself. Hey, go watch my YouTube where you can make some money. I'm trying to help people make money around here. I don't want to see people starve. Now let's get to the business. Hey, Troll. As y'all know, I'm have A at the top and B at the bottom. Okay. Yeah. This has been an awesome day. You know, I don't brag on the days much, but this has been an awesome day. And I brag all the time, but I'm just saying, like, it's just been different today. I've been getting really, really good orders, and this is why I like this platform. I actually got off, and then I got back on. Let's go, y'all. Gotta get this out. Get this over with. B. 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 Okay. This is a fairly pretty easy order. Like I said, if you want to just get down to the meat of it, 25 items, $27, about 2 miles away. Saving gas and all that. Make sure you always be careful on when you got these 2 orders. Make sure you're putting everything where it's supposed to be, because you don't want to give the wrong customer the wrong item. B. B. Somebody's making pasta tonight. Okay. These are the orders that I like to get done with them real quick, because I know I got 2 deliveries, and the thing about it is it keeps you in the area. Like I said, I know everybody's talking about gas, and this is how you save gas, and I'm showing you. Get all orders like right around the corner from each other. And then if it's not one of my days where I'm worried about gas, I'll take any order. And excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh no, you're good. You're good. You're good. I always be polite in the stores. But like I said, if this was one of my days I didn't care about gas, I'll just go anywhere. But gas is going up, so I'm limiting where I'm going. See? I always try to show you guys, oh, I go back. I try to show you guys how to make this a smooth ride, where you don't be in the store for an hour, then delivery 30 minutes, and you know, took 2 hours on one order. And I try to get you down to like 1 hour. Every order, just 1 hour, so you can max your pay on making that. Oh, okay. It wants a little bag. That's another thing I always check. If I would have looked at the price, because they got the price on the app. If I would have looked at the price before I went back to that, I would have knew that they didn't want a big bag, they wanted a small bag. But I just looked at the app, I didn't look at the price. There's a lot of ways on this platform that you can, if you know this stuff about this platform, that's what makes you better and that's what makes you quicker. Because you know little tricks like that, you can look at the price on the app. Okay. Y'all know I always tell you leave your basket. You don't gotta take your basket everywhere. When I do leave my basket, I'm gonna come back with 2 or 3 items. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna come back with 2 or 3. 2. Okay. B. I always check my vegetables to make sure it's no nobody likes vegetables with marks and all that stuff on it. So check your vegetables. Make sure they don't have that, because nobody likes it. Everybody pretty much want their vegetables to look good, look really, really good. They don't want all those scratches and stuff like that on them. That always just give you something to think about while you're shopping. Okay. Let's just go original. They don't have the original chicken, so I don't want to not bring them nothing, so I'm gonna go on the limbo and I'm gonna give them the mojo. Okay. When I say it's almost over. What did I say? They gave me 27 minutes. Did I tell y'all the time? I'm gonna say 12. I'm gonna get it done in 12. What's up, family? What you doing, man? I just saw Dad. I always tell y'all, good relationships in these stores are just great. Keep your relationships proper. You won't have any problems if you do. If you want to make money and you consider this your platform on how you pay your bills, come in these stores and put a mental mindset that you work here. Because really, at the end of the day, you do. You can say you don't. You can say you're an independent contractor, but you're in these stores every day. Oh, no coastal sunshine. When they don't have it, I always take a second look. The button I hate, refund button. Don't have it. Take one more little look. It's over. I just always make sure, remember, that cuts into your tip. Always remember, when you don't get the customer day items, it cuts into your tip. So I always tell you to learn these stores so you know for a fact that they don't have it because you know where it's at. Because I know everything, because that's why I'm the king. B? Home? And I don't really have a route. I know you guys are always asking the route. I have a route, but I don't have a route. When I open up my app, when I come in the store and shop, I see all what I got. First of all, I pay attention to the cold stuff because you don't ever want to get the cold stuff first. That's just never good. You kind of want to make sure when people get their stuff at the house that it's still fresh. So that's why I always say I don't really have a route. I just look at my app, and then I decide on which way I'm gonna go or what I'm gonna do. Because it's like I said, it's considered, it might be 2 orders, so my route is different. 1 order, my route is different. Okay, here we go. Last item. Public seasoning blend. There we go. Only thing I can say, if you're alive, subscribe. I've done a 27-minute order, they say, done in 13 minutes. If you're alive, subscribe, man. If you work this platform like you're supposed to, if you let people like me train you, you will actually like this platform. You won't complain about it because you'll understand, oh, this is how I make money. This is what I do. So if you're alive, subscribe. King of Instacart, Ricky's World. I've done it again.